Today I want to make an eggplant sandwich at home for dinner with cheese and ham. Did you know that Europeans once feared of eggplants? First, take an eggplant, remove the ends, and cut it into 2 equal parts. Cut slices that are not too thin or too thick, just like I'm doing, about 5 mm thick. In medieval Europe, eggplants were considered mad apples and thought to cause insanity. But now we know that they are perfect for healthy diets. Eggplant keeps you full without adding too many calories. Place them on a board in pairs, matching them by size to form sandwiches. On one of the slices, place half a slice of cheese. Fold it if necessary to prevent it from sticking out. Eggplants can be purple, white, or even green-striped. The vibrant colors are not just pretty, they indicate different antioxidants. Cooking at home and preparing food at home is a very enjoyable activity for me. This recipe is very simple and very inexpensive. You can easily make it at home for dinner or as a snack. Then, place a slice of ham on top of the cheese. Sprinkle a little salt on the other slice of zucchini and cover the sandwiches. And once you've got them ready, you'll realize that one zucchini makes dinner for the whole family. For the coating, beat the eggs in a dish and prepare another dish with flour. Dip the stuffed eggplant in the flour and remove the excess. Then dip it in the egg, getting all the edges right, and fry it in a pan with plenty of oil. Fry them over medium heat so the zucchini cooks well. Do the same with the rest of the zucchini sandwiches. Cooking at home and preparing food at home is a very enjoyable activity for me. Home-cooked meals are both healthier and cheaper. When the sandwiches are golden brown, turn them over so they brown on the other side. Look how good it looks with the cheese. This is delicious. And once you've cooked them, put them onto a plate. You can use an absorbent paper.